Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious yogurt Kadhi. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of slightly sour yogurt, which is crucial for that authentic tang. Also, have ready a half cup of gram flour, some oil, and a selection of aromatic spices like mustard seeds, cumin, and curry leaves. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's create the perfect base for our Kadhi. In a large bowl, combine the half cup of gram flour with the 2 cups of sour yogurt. Whisk these together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring there are no lumps. Gradually add about 3 to 4 cups of water, stirring constantly, until you achieve a thin, pourable consistency. Finally, season this base with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to your taste. With our base ready, it's time to cook the Kadhi. Pour the mixture into a heavy-bottomed pot and place it over medium heat. Bring it to a gentle boil, and this is important. Stir continuously for the first 10 minutes to prevent the yogurt from curdling. Once it starts to thicken slightly, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for at least 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For the grand finale, we'll prepare a flavorful tempering. In a small pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 or 3 dried red chilies. Let them splutter for about 30 seconds. Immediately pour this hot tempering over your simmering Kadhi. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro. Serve your warm, aromatic yogurt Kadhi with steamed rice or your favorite flatbread for a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.